Hi everyone, I'm Carol, the Student Success Coach here at Ozford. Today I'm here to talk to you about our Student Success Programme. Ozford Student Success Programme helps you to develop the key skills you need to become job ready once you graduate. The programme will maximise your potential for academic success and prepare you to enter the job market with confidence. The programme helps you to work on a number of things, including your CV, cover letter, and even build a portfolio, which we like to call Ozfolio. The Ozfolio allows you to collect evidence and experience to showcase yourself to potential employers. As Student Success Coach, I am here to assist any student who would like to strengthen their study and employability skills. If you're interested in booking an appointment, all student appointments are free and tailored to student needs. Just email me at the email displayed on this screen, and I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you.